Yeah, I'm here all weekend. Yeah.
Hello YouTube, it's Ernesto Rivera. We're back again here at the Athearn display. And there's the new model they're announcing for this year. It's the SD70 with the flare radiators they're announcing and a new SD75i. And here's some of the units here. The pre-production models right here. And some of the blueprints of what they're going to look like. So definitely one of these new models here from Athearn. It's very good. There's the flare radiator right there.
Yeah, and like I said, that's part of the process.
Some of their existing products already.
They mentioned to me that there was some that was going to be happening. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't know what they involved with that aspect of things. So I don't know what the final is. But I will follow. I will get.
It's pretty exciting to see what Athearn is coming out for this year.